a decision to be happy. That's what it takes. You know, and helping people to feel important about what they're doing, especially when you see someone doing it so well. It's important. Or just be sour and complain about everything. See, it's so cool to come out here and be with the trees and the view. It changes everything about being out in nature and remembering where we came from. I mean, this is a divine sanctuary. Look at that view. And this massive tree group. Look at this. So if you're ever in doubt about getting outside in nature, come out. Because you're going to get a lot from it. More than we give it is the thing. Trees and rocks and water and birds singing. That's what we live for, really, when you think of it. Being in the, well, it's even deeper than that, but this is what we got to be divine here on earth. I mean, this is unbelievable. It's so different to see a picture of it rather than being right here. That's the thing. So choose nature. Wow. Okay. Love to all of you.